Well, welcome back to the Tradesman channel. Tonight we're going to show you how we took these rough cherry and elm slabs and we got to this point. So stay tuned to find out.
Trouble deep, 'cause I won't break, now I know I don't weep. And you're in trouble deep, I don't wanna hear no more. There are certain things I won't ignore. I really think you need to go before I kick you out the door. I don't wanna hear no more. There are certain things I won't ignore. I really think you need to go before I kick you out the
door. Okay, so after all that work, here we are. Now it's not perfect yet. We still have to take all this to the joiner and get it everything so it's just sitting perfectly. Now, what we have here was totally done with the router sled, the planer, and the table saw. It's not a terrible, too bad of a fit, but it obviously could be a lot better. So tomorrow night, hopefully we can get it done. Tomorrow night we'll hit all these edges with the joiner, and then we will see where we go from there. Like I said, I'm still strongly considering using splines to put all this together, and maybe a couple of decorative pieces. We'll see where we're at. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out so far. Now right now, the elm and the cherry is not that big of a contrast, but over time this cherry is going to darken up a lot more than the elm will, and it'll look nice. It's definitely two different grain patterns. Elm is just a beautiful wood when you, if you can work it. It does have a tendency to twist and move and do a lot of goofy things, but man, if you can work it, you can get some really nice results. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.